Why does your scanner show the P1352 engine code? What does it mean? P1352 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition control module output high or pulse detected when grounded cylinder 2. This engine code indicates that the typically fault in the ignition coil primary circuit, specifically related to cylinder number 2, or a problem with the preheating circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: glow plugs, preheating relay, control unit, electrical connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Peugeot and Citroën vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.